Hello, today we will guide you through how to create sections in KoboToolbox. To begin, open KoboToolbox in your browser and go to the main project's homepage. This is where all of your available forms and survey projects are stored, so it's the starting point for making changes to an existing form. Once the page loads, look through your project list and open the sample project. Selecting the project takes you into its workspace, where you can review form details, submissions, and editing options. After the sample project opens, move your attention to the navigation near the top of the page and click on Form. This area is where KoboToolbox lets you manage the structure and content of your questionnaire. If you are new to the platform, this section is especially important because it gives you access to the form builder and editing tools you'll need to organize questions more clearly. Next, go to the top right corner and click the editor icon. This opens the form in editing mode so you can make changes instead of just viewing a summary. If the editor takes a moment to load, give it a few seconds, especially if the form has many fields or groups already included. Once you are inside the editor, select the sample questionnaire. This brings the questionnaire into focus so you can begin adjusting its structure. At this stage, it helps to quickly scan the existing questions before adding a section, just to understand where the new grouping should fit within the form. Now look to the top left area of the editor and click on Grouping. In KoboToolbox, grouping is the feature used to create sections within a form. Sections are helpful because they organize related questions together, making the form easier to read, easier to manage, and often more user-friendly for people completing it. This is especially useful when your form includes several topics or longer question sets. After selecting grouping, enter the section name. Choose a name that clearly describes the questions that will belong in that section. A clear section title helps both form builders and respondents understand the purpose of that part of the questionnaire. Keep the name concise but descriptive so it's easy to identify later if you return to edit the form again. Once the section name is entered, your new section is ready to be used as part of the form structure. Creating sections in this way is a simple but effective method for keeping questionnaires organized and easy to navigate. That's it for this walkthrough on how to create sections in KoboToolbox.